In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Asana Inbox. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for updates that matter to you and how to stay aligned with your team without getting overwhelmed. Start by going to Asana either in your web browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so the updates you see are the ones relevant to your day. Think of Asana as your team's shared source of truth. Your inbox is where that truth reaches you in a clear, timely way. Next, open Inbox from the left sidebar. This is your centralized feed of notifications across all the projects, tasks, and discussions you're part of. It's designed for quick review, so you don't have to jump between projects to figure out what changed. The inbox doesn't alter your tasks by itself. It simply gathers updates so you can understand what's happening before you take actions elsewhere. Inside the inbox, choose the Activity tab. While there may be other views, Activity is the one focused on real-time collaboration signals. This is where you'll see the heartbeat of your work, what's moving, who touched it, and when it happened. Here, you'll see all activity involving you. That typically includes task assignments and unassignments, due date changes, status updates, and comments where you've been mentioned or where you're a follower. Each item usually shows the task title, the project it belongs to, who made the update, and a timestamp. Newest items appear at the top, so you can quickly scan from most to least recent. Pay attention to due dates and assignees in each card. They give you instant context about urgency and ownership. If you notice repeated changes on the same task, it often signals a conversation or a fast-moving update, helpful cues for what may need your attention soon. A few tips for working smart in this view. Use the activity stream to understand context before responding elsewhere. Watch for mentions of your name to spot items that are explicitly asking for your input, and note status or due date shifts that may affect your priorities. It's a good habit to check activity at the start and end of your day, which helps you catch late changes and plan your next steps with confidence. To recap, go to Asana, open your inbox, head to the Activity tab, and review the stream of updates that involve you. With this simple routine, you'll stay on top of collaboration, reduce back and forth, and keep your work moving smoothly.